your ship. What are you doing out here?
I was so worried about you.
Nostalrius.
Told me terrible things.
What things?
He said you turned to the dark side. That you...
Ruined World of Warcraft. Nostalrius.
He's trying to turn you against me.
He cares about...
The game. The game?
He knows. He wants to help you.
Blizzard.
All I want is...
Legacy servers. Legacy servers.
It won't save you.
Players.
Only my new
Content.
can do that.
At what cost? You're a good...
Game developer.
Don't do this.
I won't lose you the way I lost my...
Subscribers.
I am
Making
more
money.
than any
MMORPG.
ever dreamed of. And I'm doing it for you.
To make the game better. And easier for new player. Blizzard. It's not what we want. Listen to us.
Well, we still can.
Don't you see? We don't have to
Listen to you.
anymore. I have brought...
Casual players and microtransactions.
I am more
Rich.
than any...
MMORPG.
I can overthrow...
All of them.
And together you and I can
Make more money in Legion.
make things the way we want them to be.
I don't believe what I'm hearing.
Nostalrius.
I was right. You've changed.
I don't want to hear any more about...
Nostalrius.
The-
Subscribers.
Turned against me. Don't you turn against me.
I don't know you anymore.
Blizzard.
You're breaking my heart. You're going down a path I can't follow.
Because of...
Nostalrius.
Because of what you've done. What you plan to do. Stop. Stop.
The pruning and dumbing down the game.
Stop now. Come back. I love...
World of Warcraft.
Liar!
No.
You're with him! You brought him here to...
Steal my players.
No.
Let her go!
Blizzard. Blizzard.
Let her go! You turned her against me! You have done that yourself! You will not take her from me! Your anger and your lust for
Money.
have already done that. You have allowed this
Activision.
to twist your mind until now. Until now you have become the very thing you swore to destroy. Don't lecture me.
Nostalrius.
I see through the lies of the...
Legacy servers.
I do not feel
Activision.
as you do. I have brought...
Garrison. Ashran. Level 100 boost.
And
Patch 6.2.
to my new...
World of Warcraft.
Your new...
World of Warcraft.
Don't make me...
Laugh. Blizzard.
My allegiance is to...
The players.
To...
The game.
If you're not with me, then you're my enemy. Only
Activision.
deals in absolutes. I will do what I must. You will try.